Welcome to the future of conversation. In today's rapidly evolving world, communication is key. And what if you could have a conversation with an artificial intelligence that understands you like never before? Introducing ChatGPT, powered by BestoAI. It's not just a chatbot, it's your intelligent conversational partner. With its vast knowledge base, ChatGPT can provide you with information on a wide range of topics. Need help with homework? Want to learn something new? Or just need a friendly chat? ChatGPT is here for you. But it's not just about information. ChatGPT is your creative collaborator too. Need ideas for your next project? ChatGPT can help spark your creativity and guide you through the ideation process. Communication knows no bounds with ChatGPT. It can help you bridge language barriers by providing real-time translation, making global communication seamless and effortless. And don't worry about privacy. ChatGPT is designed with your security in mind. Your conversations are encrypted, ensuring that your personal information remains confidential. Join the millions of satisfied users who have discovered the power of ChatGPT. It's not just artificial intelligence, it's intelligent conversation. Try ChatGPT today and experience the future of communication. WhatsApp number to start conversation: 917-975-237-975.